Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to enable dark mode in OneNote. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Okay, let's dive in. Now open OneNote on your computer. Click over here on top left on File tab. Now go over here on bottom left corner and click on Account. Under Office Theme, click on this drop down arrow and select Black. That's it. You can also choose office backgrounds, for example, doodle diamonds or clouds like this. That's it. Your dark mode is enabled on OneNote. Thanks for watching.